This is an unboxing of my Legion T730. It just came in now. I'm gonna put you the specifications. I want to point out where the specifications are, but this is just like the tag. It reads out. Let me see if I can pull up this. It's an Intel i9, 1 terabyte hard drive plus 1 terabyte PCIe, and it has an NVIDIA 2080. I apologize that I cut it with a knife before even starting the video. So this is an unboxing. The unboxing of the Legion, Lenovo Legion T730. Very happy that I got it. Honestly, I think I must have opened it upside down. Yep, right there. I opened it upside down. Well, anyways, I got it on the right. Oh God. Okay, here it is. So here it is. Here's the baby. I gotta look for the cable. I gotta look for a power cable now. I'm sure it's in the box. Power cable. Yep, it's here. It comes with a mouse. And they also sent a keyboard. I'm sure there's a keyboard here, but I'm not gonna be using that keyboard because we already have a keyboard. We already have this gaming keyboard. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna undock all the peripherals that I had connected to this Lenovo dock, because we were previously using laptop computers, notebook computers, and I'm going to then, these are our ThinkPads. I got two ThinkPads that I connect via this Thunderbolt 3 second generation Lenovo dock. This is a DP cable. I'm disconnecting it from the docking station, and I'm gonna connect it to the back of the computer into the video card. Hey, what is our DP? This must be the video card. So DP, I'm looking for a DP cable. DP. Here it is. I gotta twist this the right way. Okay, there's our DP cable. Gotta get now the mouse. This is the mouse. Here's the mouse. And our keyboard. Our keyboard. Hey, babe. So keyboard. And I don't know what other these USB cables are. Okay, I'm about to connect the power cable. The power cable now. you can see, I'm on the Lenovo fan. I have ThinkPads. We have ThinkPads. Our monitor is Think Vision. Not able to get a focus there. I have a Think Vision monitor. ThinkPad charger for the dock. And I'm still waiting for a power supply. An APC unit. A battery backup. I'm waiting for a battery backup, and so I can connect it to the computer, because as we had laptops, we didn't need battery backups because they're laptops. So again, this is the box. This is the box where the Lenovo Legion T730 came in, and I'm about to turn it on. But again, we're about to turn it on now, and I'm gonna give that honor to my son for him to turn it on. He can come and turn it on. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. It's about to turn it on now. I think that's the power button, baby. All right, it's coming alive. Look at that, how beautiful. Look at that. It must be recognizing the, put this on top of the bed, baby. It must be recognizing the peripherals. Items attached, connected. Yep, the keyboard just turned on. No, not right now. We're not gonna get into gaming right now. I gotta do a lot of setup. The keyboard. Oh, sure, come on. It's my kid's Elite controller. He's gonna be using it for. This is like the latest model, the second generation, right? This is the second generation Elite controller. All right, you can see there is a GeForce 2080 NVIDIA. Well, for some reason I'm not getting a signal. Oh, because I was under I wasn't under DP, I was under USB-C. So I should be able to get a signal though. Oh yeah, there's a signal. There it is. There's a signal. Okay, so at this point we can hear a little bit of fan noise. Let me get it closer. You can hear that fan noise. Oh guys, and this is how the top looks. It has two USBs, regular USB ports, and this is a headphone jack and some sort of microphone and the power button. And if I'm not mistaken, this latch here, if it slides up, and it'll reveal a DVD CD-ROM /DVD burner, rewritable, DVD rewritable. Let me open it. Yep, there it slides out. Okay, I'm gonna close the latch back. I only wish that it had memory card readers. This Legion T730 does not come with any type of memory card readers, so it does not have any memory card readers. And it has all these little plastics that we can rip off. Oh, I gotta show you how the back looks. I'm gonna lift it. Oh. So this is where all my connections are. All the connections are there. The video card is adjacent, and an adjacent connection via DP port. Power. And all the other connections there. USBs, mic, more USBs. Oh, by the way, it does not have any Thunderbolts. It doesn't have any Thunderbolt 3 Express port. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order a Thunderbolt 3. I'm gonna order a Thunderbolt 3 PCIe card, because in my case I really need it, because we're constantly swapping from the notebook computers to the tower computer. So we're gonna be swapping, and I rely a lot on this Lenovo Generation 2 port, and I would need it. So I'm gonna put it somewhere in the back, so when my kid is using the computer, he can connect the USB, the Thunderbolt 3 cable to the back, And when I'm using the laptop, I just connect it to my laptop, and boom, it becomes this port. I would leave connected the keyboard, mouse, and any other one of the accessories or peripherals we use. So this has been an unboxing video of the Lenovo Legion T730 in mid-June of 2020. Thank you, guys.